Okay guys, this is Mosha coming to you from MOSHA'S Reggae Lounge, the first and only authentic Jamaican restaurant in the Dominican Republic since 2011. This is the only authentic Jamaican restaurant here. So I'm coming to you from the new location in El Batey, Pedro Crisante and Esquina Dr. Rosen, across the street from the hotel. Now I have 4 ladies here from France. 2 of them are vegetarian, 2 of them are not. So I just made them some food. They speak Spanish. ¿Tú quieres yo hablar en español o inglés para primero? ¿Español? Okay. So primero, the first I have is, what's your name?
Marina.
Marina, where are you from?
France.
She's from France. Here, France. Ooh, so sexy. ¿Y cómo está la comida? She have the vegetarian dish, which is the chickpea with the Rastaman vibration sauce. How is the vegetarian?
Muy rico, gracias.
She says very rich. Thank you. And you find out from on the internet, right?
Sí.
On the internet.
On internet.
No, está bien, it's okay. ¿Tú hablas español o
Sí.
español? Ella habla español, so I'm going to preguntar en inglés, después español. ¿Cuál es su nombre, mi amor?
Nino.
Her name is Nino. ¿Dónde tú eres?
Paris.
She's from Paris also, Paris, France. ¿Cómo está la comida?
Muy bueno.
I asked her how is the food. She says very good. Esta es la primera vez tú pruebas la comida jamaica. She said this is the first time she tried and it's a big thumbs up. She had the jerk chicken and now the second young lady. ¿Cuál es su nombre, mi amor?
Lucille.
Lucy.
Lucille.
This is Lucille. De París también.
Sí.
Okay. She's vegetarian. ¿Cómo está la comida, la plato?
Muy bueno.
She said muy bueno. The 2 of them have the same thing. They have the chickpea Rastaman vibration sauce. And thank you, Lucy. Gracias. You said, ella Italia.
No.
Español también.
Yeah.
And ¿cuál es tu nombre, mi amor?
Manu.
Mano? Wow, that's beautiful. Mano is brother or sister, right? Her name is Mano, and she also speaks Spanish. She had the jerk chicken. ¿Y cómo está el plato de?
Muy bien.
Muy bien. La primera vez.
Yes.
She said, I asked her it's the first time. She said yes. So they're very happy. Más tarde yo preparo la bebida de blood clot, the drink. ¿Cómo está eso?
Muy bueno.
I make.
Tu parles du verre qu'on a eu avant. Bah oui, la bebida. Oui, la bebida est moins rica.
Yeah, I asked her about, I make them a drink called the blood clot. He said, it's my invention, and they love it. Ooh la la! Okay, gracias. Buen provecho. Muchas bendiciones. Y bienvenido de MOSHA'S Reggae Lounge, República Dominicana. Gracias. So guys, remember this. If you can't speak good about people, stop speaking bad about people because it's going to come back to you. Always say something nice. If you can't say nothing good, don't say nothing bad about nobody. Because when you think one finger is pointing at the other person is pointing right back at you. Also, we have Ital food. I'm a herbalist. Whatever, you can check out my videos. This little boy that had sickle cell anemia and it was reversed thanks to the Most High, high blood pressure, whatever it is. So when you come to my place, there's not just food. Okay, you get everything here. So once again, guys, thank you. MOSHA'S Reggae Lounge. Peace out.